are pleased to show you the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, security system, CD player, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.